Big game. Kaizer Chiefs going head to head with Mamelodi Sundowns FNB Stadium on Wednesday. Bros, this is a big game and this is also a must-win game for Kaizer Chiefs. We are sitting in second place with 9 points. Sekhukhune United is shining goal different, and then the Sundowns are right behind us with 7 points. And this is a must-win game. If we lose, you guys know what's gonna happen. They're gonna be above us. If we play a draw, they're gonna be behind us with only 1 point, and they're gonna put us under pressure. So this is a must-win game. We have to win if we want to stay up there. We have to win this game. So Kaizer Chiefs, I'm expecting you guys to win this game. And with everything that's going on with Mamelodi Sundowns, I'm hoping you're gonna take your advantage. They have players wanting to leave them. They don't have Ribeiro. They just lost to Orlando Pirates in the MTN 8. The coach is under a lot of pressure because his leadership qualities are being questioned and all that. I'm hoping this will affect them. This will have an effect when they come to play Kaizer Chiefs. Hopefully the pressure is gonna get to them, and everything, man, that's happening in that club. I hope uzovele kube mess, and then when they come to play us, we're gonna easily destroy, humble, and embarrass them. Okay, bros, let's begin with a lineup prediction. I'm gonna choose the formation. Niaz Slalane Sundowns. It has to be a formation that's gonna give me 3 midfielders so that we can be able to stop that tika. That ball position, yes, Sundowns. So this is the formation we're going with, 4-2-3-1. Okay, I have to change the color, of course. Try and look for something that can look like it Chiefs, even though it's not gonna be exactly the color Chiefs. And then I have to hide the numbers. Yeah, there we go, bro. Let's begin, bro. We have a problem at the back. I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna let you guys know in a minute. Okay, at the back, you guys know who we're gonna play as our goalkeeper. Peterson has been amazing. 3 games, 3 clean sheets. He's been amazing. Okay, we move on to the right back position. Who should I play in this game, bro? Monyane or Frosler? I'm gonna play Monyane, but bro, I feel like I should play Frosler because every time we play Sundowns with Frosler, if you guys have noticed, we has Misela. Even though he has not been playing that much, Monyane has been amazing, or I should say he has been playing, has been good. Made some mistakes here and there, but at the same time he has been solid. Kaizer Chiefs have not conceded a goal because of the whole back line being solid. So Monyane, I'm gonna give him a start. But if it does not work, I'm gonna give it has to be, of course, Ufrosla to come and solidify things there at the back. Okay, here, who should I play, bro, as a left back? Frosla or Marco? Marco brings experience. He has played at Orlando Pirates, played a lot of cup games. Cross has been very solid, I should say. He has been good. He has been playing for Kaizer Chiefs. He has started a lot of, I think, all these 3 games he has started them, and he has been doing wonderful. He has done a wonderful job. So I'm thinking I should start him, but at the same time, Ulomjita, Marco brings experience, so it's a hard one for me. But I'm gonna start with Cross. Hopefully he'll be able to deal with Usales. Okay, here, this is where the problems start. Okay, Sizodlala, Miguel, of course, the captain, and then here, bruh, Ethan McCarthy is injured, and he has not been into training since the day he got injured. If you guys remember, he came here Richards Bay. Ethan McCarthy got injured in that game, and apparently he has not been training with the team since that game. The coaches said they are still assessing him, seeing if he's gonna be available to play in this game. But I don't think he's gonna play. Because I would train Ivek Yonke before Udlalene Sundowns. Bro, he's not gonna play, and I don't think the team are gonna risk him playing ebe engakabi fit, engakabi recovery ngendlela right, because it could make him worse. So I don't think they're gonna play him. So I'm thinking Kuzita Kwenika, a player I do not want in this game, but we don't have a choice. Ulomjita, Dotl is gonna come back next month, and Msimango. So who do we have? Who else do we have? Kwinika. And I'm very scared. The Rhinos versus Kwinika. Kwinika uzothola yellow card or a red card, bruh. And but anyways, there's Miguel. Now Miguel can be very rough at times. And Rhinos, bro, Rhinos is very smart. He's very smart. He's gonna bully this one, knowing that these two actually, he's gonna bully them, knowing that they can be very aggressive, and he could force them into getting yellow cards. And bro, I'm hoping it's not gonna happen. Okay, in the midfield, let's go on. I'm putting Umthetwa because you guys know Slalane Sundowns. So we need a destroyer when Sundowns try to attack us. So we will need Umthetwa in this game. If you know football, I'm sure you're not gonna leave him. If you are making your own starting 11, predicting your own starting 11, I'm sure you're not gonna leave Umthetwa. And then Ucele, for sure, Ucele naye uzumfaka, because we also have to try and keep ball position, and Ucele naye uyakwazi ukudlala those passes, so we're gonna need him. Yeah, bro. So it's Cele in the middle and Umthetwa, and then we're gonna have our wingers. In our wings, I think I should play Ulilepo this side, even though I don't like playing Ulilepo this side, but I have to play him on the right in this game, because I think I'm gonna bring in Gaston Sereno, who has experience. So I think he should start in this game with Sereno Bafetu. It should not be a game changer. I think he should start in this game. So Gaston Sereno, and then who do I play in the middle? I think it should be Unqobo. As much as Debs is probably gonna win ground duels and all that, but at the same time, bro, we're not gonna be playing helicopter football. So I'm thinking Unqobo will do perfectly well. Shabalala, for me, this game, as much into Anidlala, but at the same time, bro, I don't think this game is on Vumu Shabalala. He's gonna get bullied by Umkwena and Alende. So Unqobo, I think when it comes to games as in Zimaganje, Unqobo becomes a better option in my opinion. Okay, up front, who should we play, bro? Who should we play up front? I think we should play Uduba. You guys remember that game Esadlanga Sundowns in the Nedbank Cup final? Uduba was the one who started the game, and he pressed Hama center backs with Sundowns, and they ended up making mistakes. Suarez, by the way, who made a mistake, and then Uduba scored. He got released by Sundowns, but Ukran Kekana is still there, bros. I think Ukran Kekana can make a mistake. Sometimes he wins a maputa. Cupido, by the way, who has been the most solid center back at Sundowns, I think he's gonna have to deal with Uduba. Bro, Duba, as much as he's good sometimes, I don't think he'll be able to defeat Tulomjeta with Cupido. But I'm counting on Grand Kekana to make a mistake, and then Duba will be there. Duba Uyalwa in a big game. In big games, I've seen him against the Orlando Pirates, against Sundowns. I've seen him. I'm hoping this boy will come in that game with the same spirit he had when we played the Sundowns and we beat them 2-1 in Nedbank Cup final. So, bros, this is my lineup prediction for the Kaizer Chiefs. Peterson in goals, Munyane right back, Miguel, Kwinika, Cross, Mthetwa, Cele, Lilepo on the right wing, and then Gaston Sereno, Ngobo as an attacking midfielder, and then we have Wandile Duba up front. Make your own in the comment section, bro, or make changes to this one. So yeah, man, this is the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Like it, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.